AI generates viral TikToks while you sleep, views on autopilot. Your cat might be debating philosophy seriously. Forget the hustle. Forget the endless scrolling for trends, the meticulous editing, the soul-crushing search for the perfect hashtag. Enter the siren song of the digital age. AI generates viral TikToks while you sleep, views on autopilot. It sounds like a Silicon Valley fever dream, crossed with a late-night infomercial for lazy geniuses. Just whisper your niche: competitive napping, existential dread via sock puppets, extreme ironing fails. Hit the magic button and drift off. Wake up to a notification symphony. Views skyrocketing, followers multiplying, brand deals materializing like digital manna. Is this the effortless content utopia? Or are we unwittingly signing up for a reality show produced by our slightly unhinged robot interns? Buckle up. The ride is stranger and funnier than the brochure promised. The dream, from blank screen to viral machine, no coffee required. Imagine the bliss. 1. The idea factory. Staring at a blank screen, creatively bankrupt? Poof. Feed the AI. Make a trend about climate change, but with aggressive squirrels. Boom. Squirrels' organized, nut-based carbon credit scheme. Acorns are the new Bitcoin. Concept generated. 2. The 24/7 content engine. Need 30 variations of satisfying slime for posting blitz? AI churns them out faster than you can say oddly therapeutic, each with subtly different gloops, squelches, and color palettes. Your biggest effort? Choosing the shiniest one. 3. The Insomniac editor. Got shaky phone footage of your cat batting a pen? AI transforms it into a Spielbergian epic. Dramatic slow-mo close-ups of retracting claws, suspenseful music swells, captions reading "The Hunter," "The Hunted," "The Bic Crystal," all rendered while you dream of tropical beaches funded by ad revenue. 4. The algorithmic oracle. It doesn't just make the video, it weaponizes it. Analyzing billions of data points, it predicts the perfect trending sound. Currently, polka remix of whale song, crafts a hashtag storm, hashtag feline overlord, hashtag pin justice, hashtag dramatic pause, and schedules the drop for peak eyeball time in a niche market you never knew existed. Apparently, llama herders in the Andes love cat content at 3 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time. The fantasy is pure, uncut digital laziness. You become a passive content baron, your phone buzzing like an angry hornet's nest with the sweet sound of virality. Your only morning decision? Which brand's oat milk to feature in your AI-generated perfect morning routine, guaranteed viral video. It's hustle culture's promised retirement plan, or perhaps its final algorithmic evolution. The reality, when your AI in turn is slightly alien and hilarious. Here's where the dream meets its gloriously weird, often nonsensical, execution. AI, bless its digital heart, lacks the messy, illogical, beautifully absurd spark of human experience. The results? A goldmine of unintentional comedy. The uncanny coolness conundrum. Tasked with creating an effortlessly cool influencer, AI often produces a being smoother than a marble countertop and about as emotionally resonant. Imagine a virtual avatar performing a dance that looks like a fax machine trying to break dance. Captioned, "Is this drip?" Comments inevitably flood in. Bro's rendering at 5 frames per second. Why does he look like he's waiting for software updates? Niche? We go deeper. Request funny pet videos. Receive 50 iterations of hamster performs Hamlet's soliloquy while eating a sunflower seed. The AI, interpreting viral as maximally specific, drills down into sub-niches so obscure they invent new categories of absurdity. You accidentally become the king of parrots analyzing municipal tax codes using only squawks. Literal interpretations. Prepare for chaos. Make a video about Monday blues. AI produces an animated tidal wave of blue paperwork engulfing a screaming stick figure. Caption: me checking email. Hashtag relatable, hashtag drowning in admin. Is it profound? Debatable. Is it hilarious? Absolutely. The soundtrack of surrealism. Need music for your calm baking tutorial? AI might start with gentle acoustic guitar, then suddenly drop into aggressive death metal during the egg-cracking sequence, followed by Gregorian chant as you sift flour. Why? The algorithm detected high-impact egg fracture and ritualistic powder dispersion. Caption calamities. AI-written text is grammatically pristine but emotionally baffling. A video of someone spectacularly face-planting might be captioned, "Optimal bipedal locomotion sequence interrupted by unforeseen gravitational interaction." Humor probability, 94.3%. Hashtag physics win, hashtag learn from fail. Comments. This caption is the real fail. Sentient toaster vibes. It's like having a super intelligent, eager to please, yet profoundly alien in turn. They take your instructions exactly as given, leading to outcomes that range from bizarrely brilliant to gloriously nonsensical. The comedy gold lies in the chasm between human intent and machine literalism. Autopilot views? More like algorithmic roulette. Here's the splash of cold, digital reality. AI automates content creation. It doesn't automate virality. TikTok's algorithm remains the capricious digital deity, its whims shifting like desert sands. Why? 1. The content tsunami. If everyone deploys AI to flood TikTok 24/7, the sheer volume becomes deafening. Your brilliant squirrel carbon traders now compete with AI-generated dolphins debating quantum mechanics and sloths reviewing fast food drive-thrus. Standing out requires even more ingenuity, not less. 2. The brandification risk. AI learns from what already went viral. This risks creating an echo chamber of derivative content. Everything starts looking vaguely familiar, slightly off, but ultimately forgettable. You might achieve autopilot mediocrity, consistently hitting 10K views but never breaking through. 3. The authenticity factor still matters. While AI mimics trends flawlessly, raw, unfiltered human moments, the genuine laugh, the unexpected tear, the relatable frustration, often pack the biggest viral punch. Can AI truly replicate the spontaneous joy of a dog seeing snow for the first time? Or does it generate a very convincing simulation? Audiences might develop a sixth sense for the artificial. Comments like "felt AI generated" could be the kiss of death. 4. The soul-sucking trap. Obsessively chasing autopilot views can reduce creativity to a soulless numbers game. Waking up to 500K views on AI-generated ASMR of paint drying, philosophy edition, is a rush, but does it connect? Does it mean anything beyond the metrics? Or are you just feeding the insatiable algorithm beast? AI can get you into the game, maybe even get you noticed, but building genuine connection often requires a human hand on the wheel. The winning formula: Cyborg creator mode, wake up, but take a nap. So is the dream dead? Absolutely not. But the promise of effortless sleep might be oversold. The true power lies in augmentation, not replacement. Think of AI as your ultimate, slightly eccentric, creative sidekick. The brainstorm blaster. Creative block? AI vomits 100 concepts in 10 seconds. 90 might be unusable, dancing cacti reviewing elevator music, but 10 are bizarrely brilliant, time-lapse of rust-forming set to opera. It shatters the blank page. The super-efficient minion. Automate the drudgery. Let AI handle rough cuts, generate caption options, research sounds, create simple graphics. Free your human time for strategy, genuine engagement, and injecting that irreplaceable personality. The data oracle. Use AI analytics to understand why something exploded or flopped, predict emerging trends, and optimize your posting strategy. Make decisions based on insight, not guesswork. The democratizer. AI tools empower those with great ideas, but limited technical skills or confidence. Someone terrified of the camera can use AI animation to bring their vision to life. The future belongs to the cyborg creator. Human vision plus AI execution plus strategic curation. You might not sleep through the entire process, but you'll definitely sleep better knowing your robot in turn handled the tedious bits while you dreamed up the next big, slightly weird idea. Wake up, smell the AI brewed coffee, and direct the chaos. AI generates viral TikToks while you sleep. Views on Autopilot is an irresistible fantasy, promising fame without the grind. The tech delivers powerful tools and genuine laughs, often unintentional. But true success requires more than passive automation. It demands human direction, curation, and that spark of authentic weirdness algorithms can't replicate. So, embrace your robot in turn. Use it to brainstorm wildly, produce efficiently, and analyze relentlessly. But stay awake enough to steer the ship, inject your soul, and laugh along the way. After all, the next viral hit might just be your cat, AI-enhanced, passionately debating the merits of tuna versus salmon, with captions by a machine convinced it's delivering high philosophy. The views might be on autopilot, but the genius and the comedy remains deliciously human. Now, go direct some otters to contemplate the void. It's trending, probably. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.